So at the end of the day, you really want meaningful information out of your accounting software, which means meaningful financial statement. Make sure that you're able to manage your business correctly, know how your business is doing in the past, present, and the future, to analyze things in that manner. I put myself in the shoes of the business owner. I wouldn't want to know how my business is doing after the fact. I want to know on a consistent basis what's going on, and not wait till the end of the year for my CPA to tell me how things are going. I want to know on a consistent basis. So your accounting software should be able to provide that to you consistently. A lot of times there's clients that tell me that they're not a numbers guy. If there's good information there, you really don't need to be a quote-unquote numbers guy. As long as you have somebody that supports you and help you along the way. Reports that you should really know how to quote-unquote read is the balance sheet and income statement. If you have a good CPA on your team or a good accounting firm on your side, they should be able to assist you to read the financials and make sense out of them. It's important to not overcomplicate the way you do things in your accounting. Make sure you're in compliance, but don't overcomplicate it with too many accounts. There's times where clients would come in and I would look at their financial statements and they're 5 or 6 pages long, whereas they can be consolidated down to 1 or 2 to be able to read the financial statements easier. So for example, if a client has an expense account that's called materials, they'll create an account called materials, then sub it out to wood, screws, glue, all that, and all that shows up on the financial statement. There's ways to customize it to where it's not going to show up on the financial statement because it's just too convoluted. You can customize it to give you that information, but not on the end financial statement. You want to make sure your profit and loss is clear and concise, your balance sheet is clear and concise, and the other reports you can customize them to give you what you need. So it's very important to know who the users of the financial statements are. Internal users include owners, managers. External users include banks, bonding companies, insurance companies. You need to make sure that those financial statements can be useful for various purposes. So for example, if you're a manager at a shoe store, you want to know how much you sell for men's shoes as opposed to women's shoes. There's ways that you can customize your software to give you that information without having to convolute your overall profit and loss statements. Bankers want to see financials in a certain way. Insurance companies want to see different reports other than just the standard financial statements. They also want to see AR reports, accounts payable reports. There's different reports other than just the financial statements. So it's important to pinpoint exactly who needs the financial statements and what type of reports to make sure that your accounting software is actually giving you the right information. It's very important that you have an accountant that knows how to customize your software and guide you to the right direction.